Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact Google account you'll use. This ensures contributions credit correctly. First, sign in and check your profile photo and display name so people recognize your edits. Next, make sure Maps activity and location history are enabled in your account settings because Google uses those signals to verify local contributions. Once done, open Google Maps and verify you can write reviews and upload photos. This immediate check prevents wasted effort later. Now you focus on consistent, high-quality contributions because badges reward usefulness. Write reviews that explain what you experienced and include concrete details. Avoid one-word comments. Upload multiple clear photos showing a place's entrance, interior, and key features. Geotagging helps accuracy. Also answer questions, suggest factual edits, and create structured lists. Do this regularly over several weeks so your activity pattern demonstrates reliability to Google's moderation systems. Quality plus consistency increases your badge eligibility. Finish by monitoring your contributions and waiting for the automated badge award. Google tallies useful edits and can take days or weeks. If a contribution is rejected, edit it to add clearer evidence, better photos, or a more specific description, and resubmit, because corrected submissions often get accepted. If you still don't see progress, review account settings and community guidelines, and if necessary, post a evidence-based appeal in the Google Maps Help community. One tip: avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.